Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Geekersoft PDF Editor and PDF Converter Ultimate for free. Geekersoft PDF Editor, also known as GeekerPDF, is a versatile PDF processing tool designed for both casual and professional users. This lightweight PDF editor features a simple user interface and is easy to use. It offers a wide range of features to edit, annotate, convert, and manage PDF documents with an intuitive interface, making PDF editing as straightforward as working with a Word document. Next, I'll guide you on how to get a lifetime subscription to PDF Converter Ultimate for free. With this tool, you can convert PDF files to any format. So, let's dive into the tutorial. First, visit the official website of Geekersoft PDF Editor. Here, you'll find some of the key features highlighted by the app developer. If you scroll down, you'll see detailed information about the app and its functions. Similarly, you can visit the PDF Converter Ultimate website to read all the information provided about this app. I highly recommend checking out these official websites to learn more about the apps before downloading and installing them on your system. Now let's talk about how you can get a giveaway subscription for these apps. In the description below, you'll find a provided giveaway link from a promotion by VideoProc. They're offering products worth $1,159 for free. Follow my steps to grab a free subscription to these apps. Scroll down on the giveaway page and select any product you like. We'll be focusing on the Geekersoft PDF Editor and PDF Converter Ultimate subscriptions. To protect your mailbox from spam, consider using a temporary email service provider. Once you've signed up, download the installer and use the subscription key sent to your email to activate the application. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy these powerful PDF tools for free. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this video valuable. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.